Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing all well. So today in this video I'm going to discuss with you the last chapter of TOTS that is important for your judicial prelims and main examination and important portions in that. So today we're going to discuss chapter 24 remedies and what are the important portions that you should study. So the first thing that you should read is damages. Number one, damages, nominal damages, from damages till 5 guineas. Then come to the next para, when are wrong, from there to Asby versus White. Then come to next page, contemptuous damages, the amount from there to the end of paragraph fully compensated. Then come to the next point, compensatory, aggravated and exemplary damages, generally from there to next paragraph, criminal function of law. Then come to the next page, the case law Vim Singh versus State of Jammu and Kashmir. The whole case law like up to 2 months. Then come to prospective damages. From there, prospective damages to disability, end of the paragraph, disability. Then come to the next case law, next page, in Subhash Chandra versus Ram Singh, from there to Delhi High Court to rupees 7,500. Then come to measure of damages for personal injury, when, from there to go to the next page. In Lakshmi Narayan versus Sumitra Bai, end of the case, action under TOTS, up till there. Then come to the next case law in Klaus Mitchell versus Batchard versus East India Hotels Limited. The case from there to the come to the next page. Compensation to the plaintiff was reversed, up till there. Then come to the next page, interest on damages, read it, the whole point. Then read effect of receipt of disablement, pension or insurance money on the right of compensation. Read the whole, but the important portion is when the claimant has received sum from there to benefiting the tortfeasor. Then again read damages in case of shortening of exception of the of life. Read the whole thing, but the important portion is as discussed above, from there to accident and the moment of death. Then come to the next page, compensation payable under Railways Act. Read the whole thing, but important portion is from there. The whole thing is important, so read it. Then come to damages under Fatal Accident Act. From damages from there to come to the next page, dismissed. Then read the whole, assessment of the value of dependency, read it whole. It's very important for preli. All the case laws that's following it, read it. Then come to effect of the receipt of gratuity, provident fund and pension, insurance money, etc. under death. From there to come to the next paragraph before this Kashiram Mathur case respectively. Then come to injunction. And injunction, from there to come to the next page, temporary and perpetual injunction, point number 2, right of the plaintiff, up till that portion. Then come to the next point, prohibitory and mandatory injunction, the whole paragraph, from there to the end of the paragraph, mandatory injunction. Then come to the next topic, specific restitution of property, when, from there to go to the next page. Sorry for my headphone. Specific restitution of property, when, from there to 3 line back to the plaintiff. So that's it for chapter 24 and the last chapter of TOTS. From my next video I'm going to start another subject. So stay tuned and take care of yourself. And I'll see you next time on Friday. I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.